Gotta take my shirt off. Hi, welcome back to Family and Fit. Kind of messed up a little bit on the summer shredding. I did something bad, which you probably shouldn't have done when you're in a cut, because I did a 10K food challenge and I epic failed it like no other. I've never did one in my life and I wanted to try one, but when you're in a cut, it's probably not the best thing because I was feeling really sick and like feeling like crap. Didn't want to experience like trying something new like that. So I will never ever do a 10K challenge when I'm cutting. Now I might try it after I get done cutting, so I don't have nothing to worry about. But I have never in my life consumed that much junk food ever, or that much calories. Like I literally ate 6,000 calories yesterday, and at 12 o'clock at night, I like epic failed it because I threw up like 2 times. And then this morning, I threw up another 2 times. So, never do a 10K challenge in a cut, ever. Okay, so 8 weeks summer shredding. I would say I feel great, but not really, not after that, consuming all that food. My summer shredding has been going good. I have been losing weight. I lost a total of 15 pounds during the summer shredding, so that's good. I'm weighing in a little bit higher, but that's expected when you just did a 10K challenge, and you epic failed it though. Only consuming 1,300 calories because 6,000 calories is just not my thing, and I shouldn't have did it. I'm gonna show you guys my physique, and my summer shredding has been going good. I think last week I updated you guys on I'm not eating any artificial sugars, and I wasn't eating any. Like maybe I made some progress, I don't know. So let's get to it. So here's me relaxing. So here's me flexing. I'm just. Here's me flexing. I got some loose skin.
Up and down. Don't you have to be ready if you're going to use it for the rest of your life? If you do it for a consistent time, a couple of years, you need to know that you might have to take sex replacement therapy, and you might never have kids again. You can get like a bad batch or whatever else, and you can be fucked. But I know for a fact that I've been doing this now for 2 years, and I'm still good. Oh, people don't know that's worthwhile to start off with. Yes, and they use it once. Maybe they can never get together. You would always blame yourself. There's ways around it. Think about it, right? You could, if you're going to do a cycle, up and down. Don't you have to be ready if you're going to use it for the rest of your life? If you do it for a consistent time, a couple of years, you need to know that you might have to take sex replacement therapy, and you might never have kids again. You can get like a bad batch or whatever else, and you can be fucked. But I know for a fact that I've been doing this now for 2 years, and I'm still good. Oh, people don't know that's worthwhile to start off with. Yes, and they use it once. Maybe they can never get together. You would always blame yourself. There's ways around it. Think about it, right? You could, if you're going to do a cycle, freeze your sperm.
So that's me flexing. I really don't know how to flex, so that's like all I can give you guys. That's like my 138% of flexing. Kind of need to work on my posing and stuff. So now I'm going to pose. Like, I'm gonna try to make this look like my best pose.
Maybe not worth, probably not worth. Definitely not worth it. I have room for improvement because I haven't done anything perfect. I'm traveling all the time. I still drink.
Making those arm gains. Okay. So, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys think I'm making progress and losing weight. What?
Hey,
Stop.
did you rotate non-flex and then stop and then rotate flex and then pose? You did all three of them?
Shut up and get back to your workout. Anyways, before that jerk interrupted me, I'm just kidding. So, if you think I'm making some progress, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. And hit the notification bell to get notified when we post more videos. Hopefully I'm making some progress. My summer shredding went good, but I had been failed yesterday because I did a 10K challenge. Oh my god. Never again will I do that. Ever. Ever. But let's hit this thing, or let's hit this summer shredding hard. Boop. Malachi,